Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's see more things we could do. So let's try to do something new. So here we have a script writing that we are trying to do. So let's try something new. So I'll go back to my documents, and right now what I want to do is very simple. I want to create a resume for myself. So we have a template right here. As you could see, is either you start a new document or you use all these templates. So we have a template already right here which you could use to write your resume using the help of Gemini as well. So you have your template right here. So you could come right here to resume, or you could even create a blank document as well. That's something else you could do. You could create a blank document. This was what we worked on formally. So let me create a blank document and let's compare and contrast. So I'm trying to use a template and I'm trying to create a blank document. We're going to use both methods to try to create a resume. So let's wait for that to get loaded up. So let's try to pick a resume. This is a resume template we could move. And another thing we could do is to create a blank document. So let's create a blank document as well. So here we can create a blank document. So this is the resume being opened. Then I could create a blank document if I have to, so we can compare and contrast. So let me create a blank document as well. And this is a resume template. So you could actually use Gemini to write your resume. So you could say my name, hello, I'm Beloved Igbe, things like that. But then this would give you an edge for you to be doing it one by one. But let's try to automate it. Let's try to automate the script. So let's use Gemini to automate the script. So instead of generating a document, why don't we use Gemini right here to I want to write a resume. So you could see before you even go, you could ask what can Gemini do here on Google Documents. So you could see right here, it says you could use it to write and refine content, which we've done. So you could use it to summarize content, you could use it to create images, you could use it to get creative ideas, and you could reference drive files and Gmail emails. Yeah, we're going to see all those as a use case. So right now I want to say help me write help me write a resume for a cyber security consultant consultant with the following details. So let me get a LinkedIn details and add it to this. So I'll come to LinkedIn directly. So permit me to come to LinkedIn directly so that I can get out some details from a LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to come to LinkedIn right here and having to come to LinkedIn so we could get details like other details we want to get so that we could formulate a resume. So right here you can add the details of what you want to formulate. So let me come right here and let me pick out important things from my profile. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to try to pick important things. So let's say I want to okay. So let's say I want to enhance my profile, or let me say resources. Let's see if we have any resources. So I'll save my profile as a PDF. That's my LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to save it as a PDF so I could open my profile up and you have my profile right here. So we could all copy this. We could copy this from beginning to the very end. We could copy it so that we could have content for our resume. So let's copy this to the very end, of course. So I'm going to copy this right now. I'm having to copy that. Let me come back to Gemini right here. So I'm going to paste it. So let me just paste everything, which I just did. So let's see how this goes for us. So I'm going to have this sent, of course. So let's have it sent and let's see what it brings out for us. So here we're going to have the resume. So you could see right here, a full resume has been created by Gemini from here. All you have to do is to insert it to your document. This is automated, as you could see. So what I want to do now is to insert it, and you'll see that you have a resume that is well formatted. So all you have to do is to reformat this since you have a resume already, and see your experiences right here. So you could actually reformat this for a resume creation and have it sent to wherever you want to send it to. So this is how to create a resume. So we have a resume right here following this format. So we could see right here. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.